Yeah.
Is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Khatamul Anbiya, last prophet for Zilli, Buruzi, and Ummati Nubuwwat? That's a
Okay.
specific term. I'm using every word carefully.
Okay. Now, first of all, brother, when you say last prophet, you have to explain to us what do you mean by last prophet, because your understanding is different than ours.
Okay.
Okay. So you can't ask me a question,
Okay.
and I can't answer you, brother.
I give you the
because
answer. When I'm saying Khatamul Anbiya, I'm using in the sense of last prophet.
That's I need explanation, brother. When you say last, do you mean with regard to timing last? Like time, like will it be the last prophet? Will human being will see on the earth? What do you mean by last?
You reminded me of Jordan Peterson's, when he says that, what do you mean by faith? What do you mean by this?
I have to, brother.
Okay,
Look,
okay,
yes,
let me
yes,
explain. Yeah,
yes.
yeah, fine.
When you don't want to answer, what you do is you try to sound clever, start making
Dr.
these
Adnan
terms.
bhai,
Brother,
I give you, first I will make the statement, then I will explain every single term. So my statement is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad is Khatamul Anbiya for Zilli, Buruzi, and Ummati Nabuwwat. This is my question. Do you agree or disagree? Now, what I mean by Khatamul Anbiya in this question? Last prophet of this category of Zilli, Buruzi. And what you mean by Zilli? I let you decide what is Zilli, what is Buruzi. I gave you the category. Okay. So please, if you have anything else ambiguous, I can explain that as well.
when we talk about Zil, brother, when we talk about mirror, mirror is not separate from original. They are one. You can't count this as a separate person. So your question is wrong. When we say Zil is not separate from original. Mirror, image, is not separate from asal. If your question is wrong, it's against the concept of zilliyat from your ulama. And I'm talking about not just one person, Ghulam Fil Chachara. I'm talking about Ghulam Abdul Qadir Jilani. I'm talking about Pir Golda Sharif. I'm talking about Shah Waliullah. I'm talking about Ilyas Qadri. I'm talking about Brailwi Mujaddad Ahmad Raza Brailwi. All of them, they are with us with this, brother. You are minority.
On what he just, what the Qadiani missionaries do, yeah? They throw name left, right, and center, mix them up, make a khichdi, make a milkshake, and they say this milkshake belongs to us. This milkshake, every ingredient, banana, strawberry, all the beautiful smelling flowers and taste and honey belongs to us. Okay? He just mentioned names and he said all of them are with us. Every single one of them made takfir of. They think you are kuffar. You are disbelievers. Every single one of them you mentioned, okay, including Golda Sharif, Pir of Golda. He debated your Dajjal prophet. What the hell are you talking about? Have some shame before you come on the screen and lie like this. None of them is with you.
Brother,
None of them is with you. None of them would tolerate a
I'm a very
prophet.
respectful person, brother. Please,
Wait,
be respectful.
brother, Dr. Saab, let me finish. None of them, each and every single one of them you mentioned, however extreme they may be in the Sufism and other things, right? None of them would tolerate a prophet after Muhammad Rasulullah. Okay, so don't say these things because you look stupid saying these things. Okay, answer this question.